pumpkins. I love you. I miss you. Guess what? Today we're gonna work with preposition of place. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. Let's take a look. What is preposition of place? Let's take a look. It was so much fun. Why don't you take out your little cutouts, number 1, where you have the animals and the barn, and you can play with mommy and daddy. Where is the animal? The animal is in front of the barn. Where is the animal? The animal is behind the barn. Go and play with mommy and daddy. It's gonna be so much fun.